Welcome to the United States. A rewarding stay is ahead of you. But in case you get stuck in a bad situation, you should know your rights. Yes, you have rights when working in the United States. They're explained in the pamphlet you get during the visa process. If you ever feel mistreated, need help, or want more information about your rights, call the National Human Trafficking Hotline at 1-888-373-7888. You can speak with someone in your language and remain anonymous. The hotline is run by a non-governmental organization, and the person you speak to will be a trained advocate who can answer your questions and help you. Call the police at 911 if you are in immediate danger or in need of emergency assistance. You have the right to keep your passport with you. Your employer cannot take your passport. You have the right to be paid fairly for all the work you do. It is also reasonable for you to expect to be paid on time. You have the right to a contract that covers your and your employer's responsibilities. Contracts will often say how much and when you will be paid. You have the right to safe and healthy working conditions. This includes access to proper medical treatment, protective equipment, clothing, and training, as well as clean bathrooms and drinkable water. If your employer does not allow you to leave for breaks or for home at the end of the day, please contact the National Human Trafficking Hotline at 1-888-373-7888. If your employer provides housing for you, it must be safe and clean. When not working, you must be allowed to leave. If you feel your employer is taking advantage of or mistreating you, you have rights. You have the right to ask for better wages or working conditions, and to join together with your coworkers to ask for these things. Your employer cannot take action against you or your coworkers for doing so. You have the right to be treated with respect and without discrimination. This means your employer may not treat you differently from your coworkers because of your age, if you are 40 or older, gender or sex, race, national origin and ethnicity, color, religion, genetic information, or disability. You have the right to leave your job if your employer abuses you, mistreats you, makes offensive and inappropriate comments, touches you when you do not want to be touched, or forces you to do things against your will, including performing any sexual activity such as prostitution. You have the right to refuse anyone who forces you to do things against your will, even if they threaten you, take your money, or force you to do something illegal. Call the National Human Trafficking Hotline at 1-888-373-7888 whenever you feel mistreated or unsafe at work. The hotline can connect you to people who can help you leave a bad work situation, including getting legal help and protecting your rights. Other resources are also available and listed in the pamphlet and online. We hope you enjoy your time in the United States. Remember, you have rights, and there are people who can help you. It's all in your pamphlet, so keep it with you during your stay.